Television, a device with a screen that plays shows and movies. Remote control, a small tool used to change channels or adjust the volume on the television. Channel, a number on the television where a specific program can be found. Screen, the part of the television where the show or movie is displayed. Volume, how loud or quiet the sound is on the television. Program, a show or particular set of shows on television at a specific time. Cable, a wire that connects the television to power or other devices. Antenna, a device on the television that picks up signals to show channels. Plug, to connect the television to an outlet to turn it on. Cartoon, an animated show often for children. News, information about events happening in the world. Commercial, a short advertisement shown during television breaks. Episode, one part of a series or show on television. Broadcast, to send a program through the airwaves to be viewed on televisions. Character, a person or animal in a show or movie on television. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I watch television every evening after dinner. 2. The remote control is missing, so we can't change channels. 3. What channel is the baseball game on tonight? 4. The screen is too small to see the movie clearly. 5. Can you turn up the volume so I can hear better? 6. I like to watch a funny program before bed. 7. We need a cable to connect the TV to the DVD player. 8. The antenna helps us get better reception for the TV. 9. Don't forget to plug in the TV before turning it on. 10. My favorite cartoon is about a friendly dog. 11. I always watch the news to find out what's happening. 12. I don't like the commercial breaks during my show. 13. Did you watch the latest episode of your favorite series? 14. The broadcast of the game was interrupted by a storm. 15. My favorite character on TV is a funny clown.